Honda has unveiled the 6th generation of its best-selling SUV, the CR-V, which is set to raise the bar for design, practicality, and everyday usability when it arrives in Europe later this year. The new CR-V showcases a more muscular appearance, featuring a steeply angled and wider grille. Honda has opted for a more restrained use of chrome compared to its predecessor through a small chrome strip connects the LED headlights on the sides of the grille. On the side, you'll notice small air curtains which direct airflow around the wheel, enhancing aerodynamics. At the rear, the connecting trim between the tail lights has been removed, maintaining the distinct tail light shape but with a more modern touch. Moreover, the all-new CR-V has grown in size, gaining 10 cm in length and 4 cm in wheelbase. The increase in dimension translates into more interior space and 18% expansion on the cargo areas. The cockpit welcomes drivers and passengers with a combination of soft touch surfaces and a range of storage compartments. Positioned in the center console is a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen, complemented by buttons and knobs for climate control. In terms of technology, the CR-V incorporates Honda's human-machine interface HMI infotainment system along with an array of new driver assistance features. These include a 360-degree camera system designed to enhance safety and convenience during your journeys. The CR-V will be offered with a choice of either a full hybrid or, for the first time in the European market, a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Both variants feature a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder direct injection Atkinson cycle petrol engine, which has been revised to enhance efficiency, refinement and dynamic performance across the range. The power is transmitted through an eCVT transmission, and Honda claims a top speed of 193 km/h. While the front-wheel drive is standard, customers can opt for the available all-wheel drive system. The new Honda CR-V will enter the European market at the end of 2023. Prices have not yet been announced, but it can be assumed that the base price will exceed 40,000 euros.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and life